In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automated workflow using Zapier. Welcome to our guide. Let's dive in and streamline your processes effortlessly. First, let's get started by heading over to Zapier. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to zapier.com. Once there, you'll be greeted by the home page. Zapier is a powerful platform that lets you connect different web apps to automate tasks. It's designed to reduce your manual workload by bridging the gap between various tools and services. Now that we're on the Zapier website, let's move on to creating a new Zap. A Zap is an automated workflow that connects your apps and services to perform specific tasks for you. Right at the top, you will see a prominent button labeled Create. Go ahead and give that a click. This action sets you on the path to designing your new workflow. Next up, we'll focus on the Zaps section. By clicking on the Zaps option, you open the interface where your Zaps, both current and new, are managed. Here is where the magic happens. This interface is where you'll piece together the triggers and actions that define your automated workflow. At this point, it's time to define the trigger for your Zap. A trigger is an event that starts the Zap. On the screen, you will notice the option to Add Trigger. Click on this, and you'll be provided with a list of applications to choose from. For our purpose, you'll want to locate and select the trigger application. Triggers are vital as they signal when your automation should kick in. Now, search for Clickup. Clickup is a popular task management tool, and using it as a trigger can automate updates or changes you make within it. In the search bar provided, simply type Clickup. Once Clickup appears, select it with a click. This choice is crucial as it will allow actions within Clickup to trigger subsequent tasks in other applications. After selecting Clickup, you'll see a list of trigger events. Choose the event that best suits your needs. Consider what specific action within Clickup should initiate your Zap. It could be anything from a new task being created to a change in task status. Finally, let's talk about setting up an action. An action is what your Zap does after it's triggered. The action should be based on what you want to accomplish. For instance, if you wish to update a spreadsheet whenever there's a new task in Clickup, you'll want to select Google Sheets as your action application. Click on Google Sheets, and now you are well on your way to automating your workflow. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up an automated workflow using Zapier. With this Zap, you're all set to save time and effort by having routine tasks handled seamlessly behind the scenes. Explore additional ways to harness Zapier for increased productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.